Hi guys, today we're going to be working on activity 12, baby names. And so what we want to do there is number one, the database is named baby names and the table is named top 20 names, okay? As you can see here and here. All right, so then the field names are pretty simple. We want rank, and male name, female name. We're going to use text for all of these, okay? And so we don't have to do anything else special there, okay? So that really is the easy part. This whole thing is pretty easy though. And then in data sheet view, what we're going to do is we're going to find. So we did like a replace last time in activity 11. On this one, they want us to select all the male names, which there are only 10, so that's cool. And then we're going to go over to where it says find, and we're going to click on find, and it wants us to find the names that start with the letter J. So what it wants us to do there is it wants us to put in a J and then an asterisk, that little star thing that's right above the 8, okay? And it's going to search for that things that start with J. So if I do find next, it's going to find Joshua and Jacob, okay? So then over, if I do the female version of this, if I click on the female one, which is what you're asked to do in 13, then basically you want to go to find and you want to type in capital A and the asterisk or that star that's or flower, whatever you want to call it, that's above the number 8. And again, we're going to do find next, and we're going to find Ava, and we're going to find Abigail, okay? And so this is a really super tiny list, and it seems kind of weird to do this in such a small list, but again, imagine you had thousands of results and you're just looking for a particular name. You know, let's say you know that the name starts with an S, and you know, once you find you know they're in the database, you know it starts with an S, or even part of the name, maybe you know it starts with an STA. And so then all of a sudden you're like, okay, STA, and then that little asterisk basically is a wild card. It stands for anything that comes after that. So even if you had Alabama in this list, it would show up. I mean, like, it doesn't differentiate in any way. And so it will find that name, and that's a really handy thing to have to find information that you're looking for. Okay, now that's not going to do anything specific to that table, but please do that because at some point you may have to look through some kind of database later on in the course, and this is a very simple way to practice that. Save it, send it up to Canvas after you close it, okay?